Look at that wind. It doesn't stop, does it? It hasn't stopped for ages, has it? The old rubbish we got lying around here. There you go. What we're going to do, we're going to try these. These I bought from, I can't remember the name of the company. Now they're supposed to be up to 8 hours burn time. We'll let you know, and then we'll put a link in the description down below if they're any good as well. Okay, I'll put the name of the company as well. It's organic, it's not organic, what would you say? Environmentally friendly crushed bark.
Oh, right, okay.
So it's not...
You're going to make some from
yeah, there's no cut down
chip,
trees, this is just what's left over from either dead standing, or if they have used trees, this is what's left with the bark, and it's crushed, compressed. So we'll give that a go in a second. We'll pop him in. Let's get this going.
That's a shame. I'm going to attempt.
Can't hear you otherwise. Good one, because I'm just got the size of this compared to that, so we'll see how good it is. So I'm going to drop some lard in, and then we're going to cook a shoulder of lamb, half a shoulder of lamb should I say. So I'm going to let that melt down. I've had trouble getting it started, a bit windy today, but she seems to be going all right now. So we'll get that hot, and then we'll drop it in. I think I boned this out as well. I can't remember. A while ago since I did it. Oh, there you go, yeah. Oh, look at that. So we'll seal that, both sides. This part here you see down here, this is the neck. This will be really beautiful. And we'll sear it. An onion. So I'm going to pop in 2 onions, a red and he needs using up. And he needs using up onion. You heard of that one before, have you? Alright. You all know me and my herbs of Provence. Any of that in there. I think we'll just pop the lid on. A little bit of water. I don't want it cooking. I don't want it burning, put it that way. Okay. Let's see how the little cooker does with this one then. Right, so we'll leave that on. I'll come back in a bit. Sorry, one more ingredient I forgot. And makes it, I don't know why, it just seems to beautiful flavour. Celery. Okay, I've dropped one of these in at the front. It's not on simmer, which is actually on full flame, so I'm going to get some heat in there, but I'll drop it down to simmer in a second, and once she's ignited, and we'll have a look at that. See how she's doing. Down to halfway. Let's have a look. That's the block sitting in the front. Actually, I'll put a bit more, just get a bit more so she gets a bit of heat in there. You can't smell reflection, it's not heat. First one.
First one.
Got a lot.
He's rotten. Plenty to do. A tree full.
Oh, I'm not going to fault that, leave it. It's cooking well. I'll come back in about 20 minutes. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at there. Oh my God, yeah. Turn him over, turn him over. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Put a bit more water and I'll put a few veggies in. Those briquette things, those block things, they work really well. This is we just put one in and it's been cooking for over an hour now. It's really good. So, and that was on full bore, so if I put it on simmer, it would probably last a few hours. I'm not saying it'll last 9 hours though, but we'll see. And make sure your veg is submerged. Well, at least covered anyway. With a bit of oil as well, they should crisp up. Might not crisp up, but they will have some nice flavour with them. So I've cut the potatoes into like little tiny squares, or even possible oblongs, just to get them cooked along. I'm going to have to put I don't know what the meat's like. Let's have a look. Oh, you want to try a piece, Jay? Look at this, it's falling off. Look at there.
Go on then.
Yeah, it's a piece of. What do you think of that? This is just.
You touch the sides.
Didn't it? Let's try this. Look at that. That's off the neck part. You want that as well?
Yeah.
She must be hungry.
I've been working hard.
Yep, been working hard. There we go. Ooh. Beautiful. Oh, that is so tender. Beautiful. Beautiful. You hear that wind? It hasn't stopped, does it?
Well, it's not too bad at the top there, really, but.
This should go dry. You don't realise how long this bog burner is, do you? It's not going to fit in there, is it? No. I was being optimistic. Oh, it's a chip. Right. See if we can get this up and give it some stick. There we go. So she's up and flying now. Gas mark 65,000. Top. Can you hear? That's Jane in the background having a sawing logs. There you go. Right. She loves it. She loves it. Look at that. Look at that. This is a massive Dutch oven sitting on top of a tiny sort of was it the log burner. So Good log burner though, I've got to admit. Look at that rev. Can you see that roaring? Let me just get you down. Yeah. You ready? Woohoo! It's lovely and warm. Vent's fully open. This veg should be ready in a minute. 5 minutes should be ready. So Jane's been sawing a few logs, and we keep forgetting to do this because it makes life a lot easier. And she's sawing it with this. And this is a really expensive saw from B&Q, £4.99. Or you can get 2 for a 10. No, 2 for, or 3 for something. Oh, 3 for a tenner. Yeah, I think so, yeah. I don't know. Just popped it on to simmer just by closing the vent a bit. You've seen this before. Anyway, let's have a look. Looking at the light. Oh, come on, look at that. That is beautiful. And it looks like the chimney's behaving itself since behaving itself since I put the bit on the top as well. Stop the rain coming in. Okay, I think this is the final. Oh, come on. This is definitely it. Phew. Yep. Oh, beautiful, Jane. Everything's cooked.
Yeah, it's bubbling away.
Woo. Right. You can have a zoom in if you like. Look at that. Beautiful. And we got gravy as well.
Have we?
Well, in theory, yeah.
That's mint sauce, isn't it?
Well, a mint sauce. Yeah, we'll have that. Yeah, no, we've got it. Minty sauce though. Right. I'll dish then. Just going to put some Himalayan salt in because I forgot. Because I'm too busy thinking of other things like getting trees down. Okay, that's that. And a little bit of poivre. Making sure it is pepper. It is, isn't it?
Look,
It's not.
mushroom.
It's not mushroom thickening, is it? No, it's not, Jane. That's
Mushroom
peppercorn sauce.
Oh, is it?
That'll
Oh,
go
it's
in.
a spoon, like a pinch.
That'll go in. I
A
thought.
pinch.
No,
Not too much.
it's not much there. That's it. There you go. A little bit of a stirrer. And that definitely is the gravy then. If you can see that. It's getting a bit dark. It's getting a bit dark, Jane. I'm just going to take some good slices off. Oh, look at this going through. But I'm just going to pull it apart. Look, pulled lamb. Just like a stew.
Like a roast, really, isn't it?
It is beautiful. Look at that. I think you're hungry, aren't you?
Oh, I just want a slice or two. I don't want
Well, no.
too much. There's your.
I'll get the plates now.
You could have put some dumplings in, couldn't you?
Look at this. I'm going to give. Look at this piece. Look at this piece. How much do you want? You'd have to
Not
take
too much, just another spoonful of veg. That'll do.
one more meat.
No,
or
no,
not?
I'll try that for now. I'll do another one in a minute.
Okay.
Yummy.
There
Okay,
you go.
just let me put that on the floor.
Oh, I'm going to do
Do
it.
you need more of a table, I think?
Yeah, well, when we get sorted.
Yeah.
Meat. I love me meat. And me veg. Look at this. I know we could all be civil and go home and eat it, but I love
Leave
this.
some veg.
Hey,
Leave some veg for everybody else.
who's everybody else? It's only me and thee.
Me and thee tomorrow.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Enough.
Yeah, I'm
Go on
starving.
then, try it.
Okay. Cooked.
Where's the knife?
That's the veg. Beautiful. This is the lamb. Oh.
Okay. Say two.
Fantastic. If you enjoyed the vid, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And lamb casserole cooked on the Outbacker stove in a massive, what was it? Dutch oven.
Yeah. Is it a whole leg of lamb?
No, it was half a shoulder of lamb.
Oh.
So it's a big lamb. Right.
Done?